David from Hitchcock has a question about insulation options.
Yeah, he's heard you talk about foam and fiberglass insulation. David writes, I know you favor fiberglass because it allows a house to breathe.
Yes.
I want the most efficient product available for a 2,500 square foot brick home I'm building in Galveston County. He wonders, Tom, will fiberglass be efficient enough? He wonders about the pros and cons of maybe using foam down there.
Well, I would not use foam at all. In fact, I've known some people that have used it and they've had some real problems with it. No, fiberglass is fine. You get the R value you need, and you can't do any more than that. You can't just, more is not better. All this stuff that people want to sell you is not better. You get exactly what you need, and that's as efficient as you're going to be.
And efficient, in his case, he's got down near the coast. What would you recommend as far as how much fiberglass?
R13 in the walls, R30 in the attic with a radiant barrier, and R19 under the floor if it's up on stilts. Or a crawl space, for that matter.
Or crawl space. R19 under. Mm-hmm. Okay. And would you put that up with some sort of netting or something?
It depends. If it's on stilts, you can just put it up and then they put a cover over it.
Or do they have special gravity-defying fiberglass that just floats?
Not at all.
No? Okay.
It's all called people holding it over their heads. But
that would get expensive.
Yes, as far as that goes. No, you can use chicken wire. They make strapping for it. There's ways to do it.
All right. You got a question? We're happy to help you out. Just like that. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom to send us your question. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.